Did you know that migratory birds play a crucial role in seed dispersal, which can significantly impact our health? These feathered travelers help maintain biodiversity by spreading seeds across vast distances, ensuring the growth of diverse plant species. This natural process supports ecosystems that produce oxygen, purify air, and provide medicinal plants. Studies show that areas with rich biodiversity have lower rates of respiratory diseases and better mental health outcomes. By understanding and protecting these avian allies, we can enhance our environment and, in turn, our well-being. Let's appreciate the unseen health benefits of migratory birds.